You are currently watching the second back office video for Empower Beverage. During this demonstration, we will be reviewing the setup for beverage products in your inventory. The demonstration will cover some of the basic features that Empower Beverage offers. If you have additional questions, or if you would like to see a detailed presentation, please contact our sales office at 877-396-0141 and we will gladly set it up for you. We start the demo on the home page for back office. The first thing we will do is go under Unit Control on the top left of the screen. Once here, you can see some of the options for controlling your inventory, such as transfers and adjusting in stock quantities. Let's go ahead and click the Select item. From here, you can search your inventory either by name or description, by vendor, or by merchandising level. I'll do a search for a wine in our database in the Name Description field. After making the search, all of the products meeting the criteria come up with the basic information showing in columns. From here, you can double-click on any of the products that are shown to bring up the item setup. The page brings up the details for the product, showing some of the information that you can track in Empower Beverage. The obvious items are here, including name, description, UPC codes, as well as basic department, category, and subcategory assignments. Note that Empower gives you the option of tracking additional details such as producer, supplier, and region, but you don't have to track those details if you don't want to. Some of the other important fields include vintage, bottle size, and case pack. If you click on the Item Movement History link on the bottom left, it brings up a quick report showing every time the item has been touched during the date range selected. You can see that the report can be filtered by date range and by location. Empower Beverage is a document-based system, meaning that anytime the products are touched, a document is created showing what, when, and who made the change. If you click on one of the rows, it will bring up the actual document where it can be reviewed and emailed or printed if desired. Back on the item setup, we will go through the tabs at the top. The first one is the Vendor Pricing tab, where you select the vendor that the product is ordered from and put it in the default pricing. You will also find the current margins on the right, showing profit margins for both the invoiced and weighted average cost. Additionally, if you have multiple locations, you can click on the Price by Location at the top to select different vendors or default prices by location. The Promotions tab shows past and present promotions that the item has been a part of, showing the start and end date, as well as the discount that was set up. If I skip over to the Inventory tab, it shows the current inventory levels by location. You can also see the current cost of inventory per item, and on the far right, you can see if there are any currently on order. If you are interested in keeping minimum and maximum counts by item, you can set those up on the bottom. For example, you might want to always have at least 12 bottles in stock and a maximum of 24. This will enable you to run a need-to-order report that generates a list that can be edited and used to automatically generate purchase orders. That covers the item or product setup contained within Empower Beverage. The next video covers the ordering and receiving process within Empower. If you would like to see a more detailed presentation of Empower software, or if you would like to receive a pricing proposal, please contact our sales team toll-free at 877-396-0141 and we will be more than happy to assist you.